National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin County in central North Carolina, eastern Wake County in central North Carolina, western Wilson County in central North Carolina, Nash County in central North Carolina, northern Johnston County in central North Carolina until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm 5 miles southeast of Flowers, or 8 miles northeast of Smithfield, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Quarter-sized hail and winds in excess of 58 miles per hour are likely with this storm. Locations impacted include Emet, Middlesex, Bailey, Spring Hope, Castalia. This includes Interstate 95 between exits 107 and 138, and Highway 264 between exits 423 and 429. Large hail will damage vehicles, windows, and some roofs. Severe winds will blow down trees, power lines, and can damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows. Please report severe weather to the National Weather Service by calling 1-877-633-6772 or notify your local law enforcement agency. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday evening for central North Carolina. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday evening for central North Carolina.